I want to create the first AI art grant, and I will call it Beyond AI. Hello my friends, how are you doing? So in 2023, I'm going to donate $1,200 to my community. This means every month I'm going to select one of the projects you have submitted and donate $100 to you, but also we will create a video together where we talk about your artistic concept and philosophies, where we show your AI artworks and where we present the work that you have created for this grant. On top of this, this might get a lot further. Maybe we find more supporters for this AI grant with more funding, with hardware and software donations. Maybe the big AI companies like Midjourney and Stability AI chip in to donate to you free access to their online GPU AI services to help you create more art. Now, why am I doing this? As you know, out there is a very fierce discussion about AI art. Is it art at all? Will it destroy art or will it create new forms of art? Is it the devil or is it heaven sent? Well, I don't want to fight, I want to unite. But more than that, I want to show the critics and the believers how AI can be a wonderful tool to enrich different methods, mediums and concepts to create works as we have never seen before. So with this AI grant, I'm searching for projects that show the intersection between AI and other concepts and mediums. As you know, there's a lot of them out there. Illustration, design, architecture, fashion, animation, music, video games, lots of different forms, and of course also philosophies. And as I know from personal experience with my community on YouTube, but also with my AI Revolution group with 17,000 members on Facebook, there are a lot of very professional and dedicated artists out there already using AI to create their artworks. This also includes me because I have a master's degree from the Academy of Arts in Vienna. So I can't wait to see your beautiful submissions with the link below for the ideas for the projects you want to create and get started to share your genius and innovative creativity with the world. Let's show everybody out there that AI can be a magical tool and give them lots of examples on how beautiful and amazing this can be. Leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon. Bye. Oh, you're still here. So this is the end screen. There's other stuff you can watch like this or that. It's really cool. And yeah, I hope I see you soon. Leave a like if you haven't yet. And well, yeah,